Now, in theory, you could have done this in the car as well. You could have worked your plastic trim tool in and taken the face off, and everything you need would have come off. If that works for you, don't hesitate to give it a shot. What you will do is when the face comes out, you've got a plug from the back. It's this plug right here that you're going to want to, as the face comes out, you're going to want to unplug it from the circuit board. But the one thing that we've got to do is we've got to transfer this plate and the circuit board to the new one. So it has a thin layer of double-sided adhesive that sits back behind this all, and we have to cut it off. Now, the other thing that we have to ensure is that it goes back in the exact same place. Because if you look, it's got the sensor that's on the back of your mirror, it's got the sensor on the front. This plate has got to be in the exact same location on the new glass. So what I've done is I've just taken a paper towel, and you can take any piece of paper. I've drawn the outline, and then I drew where the edges of this plate is, here and here. So when I go to put it back on, I can take the new glass, put it right in the same spot, and line up the plate in the exact same orientation. We've got a finite amount of space that we have to deal with, so we have to be careful about that.